simplify the following imaginary number, I to the 11th power. Now we know of I that if you square it, you get -1, right? So we want to write I to the 11th power in terms of I squared. We'll notice that I to the 11th, we can take out an even power from it. So this becomes I to the 10th times I. And I to the 10th, the reason we did it this way is because I to the 10th we can rewrite as I squared to the 5th power, right? Because we're using this property of exponents that says a to the r to the s power is just a to the r times s. And since 5 times 2 is equal to 10, then we haven't changed anything. So then I squared is equal to -1, so we can replace this with -1 to the 5th power times I. So now, what do we do with this -1 to the 5th power? Well, in general, if you have -1 to the n power, it's going to equal -1 if n is an odd number. So, for example, -1 cubed is just going to give you -1. And it's going to be +1 if n is even. For example, -1 squared is just -1 times -1, which is +1, and that's true of any even power. So since 5 is an odd number, then -1 to the 5th power just becomes -1, and then we have that times I, and then -1 times I is just -I. So I to the 11th power simplifies to just -I.